To verify your eToro account, follow these steps. Complete registration. Sign up on eToro by providing your email, creating a password, and entering basic personal details. Log in and access verification. Once logged in, navigate to the account or profile section, often found in the menu or settings. Upload identification documents. Personal ID. Upload a clear, valid government-issued ID. Proof of address. Provide a recent utility bill, bank statement, or similar document that shows your address and matches the address on your ID. Submit documents. Follow the instructions to upload the documents. Ensure they are clear, legible, and in the accepted formats. Verify and wait for approval. eToro will review your documents to verify your identity. This process can take from a few hours to a few days. You will receive a notification via email or in your eToro account once verification is complete. Additional verification. eToro may request additional information or documents based on your account activity or region.